Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use your Squarespace email functions, so let's get right into it. Now, Squarespace itself doesn't have domain-specific emails. You're going to need to use any third-party ones that you have, such as Google emails or anything of the sort. Any personal domain emails that you have will work with Squarespace itself. You just have to integrate it, and I do have another tutorial about that if that's what you're interested in. However, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can email from your Squarespace site, how you can make a group or a subscriber list and send a email campaign to your subscribers. So let's get right into it. Now, if people enter your contacts or enter their contact information, such as their email, into your site, if you add that functionality into it, they will then go into your contacts over here, into your mailing lists. And as you can see, if we go into lists and segments, you have all of these mailing lists over here. You can go into an email list. As you can see, I only added myself. You can then go create a campaign or add subscribers. You can add them manually or upload an entire list through a CSV. It depends on you. Or you can create a campaign, and that will take you over to the marketing segment. And here in the marketing segment, you have a checklist which you do need to fill out. If we go into email campaigns, you'll see the list right over here. You can select an email template. Just click on this, and then you'll have a wide variety of templates that you can actually select, and then you can edit them if you want. So for example, if I select this one, I can click use this template, and as soon as I select it, and if I already have a mailing list, I can immediately go to email and send to recipients. However, I won't be doing that. I've selected this template now, so you can edit it if you want. I won't, just to make this tutorial shorter. You can then create a mailing list, which I already did, as you can see, and you can add sender details if you want. They're completely optional, but they can help if people don't see who they're getting a mail from. So for example, if I go add to sender, I'll just name this me and add my tutorial email into this. Added the .com, and that should be good. Now, emails from gmail.com might be sent to spam. It doesn't really matter. You'll get a verification code, and then you can add your own. I'll just skip this, and now I've been sent as a recipient, but I am unverified, so people might be sketched out about that, but it doesn't really matter. Now, what you can see is then you can go ahead and send the actual campaign. Now, what I do is I just go over to the email template again. This will make you select it again, but I'll just select it again. I don't know where you can access it from, well, normally, but once you select it again, you can then go ahead and go into the email, click send to recipients, and you'll need to upgrade, but once you click that, you'll be able to send the email campaign, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.